Battery World is celebrating its 25th year, and each week we will feature one of my favourite accessories. This week we are highlighting the DCC Pro Automotive Charging Kit 12V DC. This is the best in-class performer for a charger of this size. The DCC Pro is a true 25 amp charger, that is 25 amps at 50 degrees centigrade all day, every day. The DCC Pro was developed and designed for use in four-wheel drives, RVs, buses, coaches, caravans, campers, or any vehicle with a 12V DC electrical system. The DCC Pro is built for our tough Australian conditions. Battery World are the one-stop shop for all your car, 4x4, caravanning, camping, motorbike and boating batteries, with a huge range of products and expert advice from your local battery expert. Battery World also offers roadside battery assist. For all things Battery World, log on to www.batteryworld.com.au.